Hey y'all, in today's video I will be reviewing this 12-inch Yaki bob wig from RPG Hair. This is their 13x4 HD lace front wig, and the density of this wig is 150% density. First things first, I'm cutting the ear tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Then I'm going to cut my lace into 3 sections and work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. And I'm using the Bold Hold Active Glue to lay my lace down. I'm using my blow dryer on a medium heat setting to dry my glue until it is tacky enough for me to lay my lace down. When it comes to laying the lace, I like to make sure that the hairline on the wig is laid directly on top of where I applied the glue. Then I'm going to blow dry the lace on the medium heat setting until the glue is fully dried. You want to apply those same steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. Now that the lace is glued down, I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and I'm blow drying this elastic band for about 5 minutes to get the melted lace look. I'm going in with my small scissors and I'm going to cut the lace in a zigzag motion, and I do this because it gives the lace more of a natural look as opposed to just cutting the lace straight across. I also cut the lace in sections because it helps me to take my time and really focus on the details as I'm cutting. Now I'm going back in with my Even Firm Hold spray, and I'm applying that spray to any little areas that may have lifted up a little bit. I'm using my foundation brush to touch up the lace a little bit and blend the lace in a little bit more. For this unit, I'll be styling it as a middle part bob, and as you can see, the parting space, it looks very short to me. It's supposed to be a 13x4. It looks like a 13x4, but it looks very short as well. So I do wish that the parting space was just a little deeper. I'm using the 𝐾𝐞𝐭 wax stick to help flatten down my install. Then I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting in my brush, and I'm going over the top of this wig to get a flatter foundation. Now I'm going in with my hot comb, and I'm hot combing this hair section by section so that I can get a very flat install look. I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. I'm going in with the Cheese Silk Infusion Serum to add that shine and silky look to this bob. Now it's time to style this wig, so I'm going in with my Revlon flat iron to do that. I'm using the Ebin Wig Knots Concealer in the color Medium Beige to enhance my parting space. Lastly, to add that shine, I'm going in with my 𝐼𝐠 Plus hairspray. Here we have the final look of the bob, and I think that this bob looks amazing. I love that this bob is a Yaki textured bob, so it gives off natural, but it still has that soft type of look to it, and it's definitely cut to perfection, so you don't even have to worry about an uneven bob. Lastly, I do appreciate that this bob has some type of density to it. It does not look thin at all, because one thing that can ruin a bob is it being very thin, and I did not have to worry about that with this wig. Bob season is here, y'all, so you definitely want to go over to RPG Hair to get that natural looking bob. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.